Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple ways to ice your cake. First, take a red cake and then make the lines on it using a rod or a stick or a knife. Now, cover it using the white cream on the top and then pat it using the knife. Now, put a Santa Claus over it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white cake, put the cream on the sides like this and then spread it using a knife or a spatula. Now draw the lines using the stick like this. Now put the white cream on the sides and pat it on the top like this. Now put the dots on the bottom of the cake like this on the sides. Make the Christmas tree using the strawberry and a green cream like this. Cover it and then put it over the cake and it's ready. Next, take a white cake and draw the lines like this on the top of the cake using a red color cream. Now take the white cream and then make the spiral circular shapes like this. Draw it carefully till the end. Now we will make the eyes, nose and the mouth of the cake and your cake is ready. I hope you liked it. You can decorate it in more different ways if you want and it's done. Next, take a cake and cut it from the sides like this. Remove some parts from the sides and give it a shape. Cut it using the scissors like this. Now cover it using red color cake. Now spread it from the sides like this. Cover it. After that, spread it carefully. Now after spreading it, draw the lines on it like this. So here we are giving it a glove-like shape. Now put the white cream on the end and your glove theme cake is ready. Next, take a white color cake like this and draw the brown lines on the sides. Now spread it using the spatula as we are doing. Now on the top we will make the spiral lines like this. Now put the white color cream on the sides. Make the Christmas tree like this using the green color cream. Make few more as such and decorate them. Make a Santa Claus like this and your beautiful Christmas theme cake is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, put the white dots on the sides of the cake like this. After that, we will design it with different shape like this. Now put the strawberries one by one as shown in the video. So cut the strawberries from the between and decorate it. Put the green leaves and it's ready. Next, put the green cream in the between like this and draw the spiral lines. Now, spread it using the knife like this. Draw the lines on the sides. Draw the spiral lines like this and decorate it using red, cream and different colors of your choice. Decorate it like this. Draw the leaves and stems of the flowers and it's ready. Thanks for watching.